Welcome back to Plant Etc. Ever wondered what to do with these curly garlic scape? Well, let me show you. June is the month where you will see the garlic scape show up. If you let them flower, you will end up with some little seeds at the top, and you will also lose some of the size that you need for your garlic bulb. So it is best to take them off. It is quite easy to do. You just need to snap them off, or you can use the scissors. I'm showing you how easy it is to take them off. I just do it by hand. You just go one by one around in the garden and you take all those little top curlicues off your garlic plants to make sure that you end up with a nice big bulb. Don't throw them away in the compost. Nope, you should not do that. They make a delicious pesto. Really, a really delicious pesto. And all you need for the pesto recipe is the usual. You need the garlic scape, some lemon, salt and pepper, olive oil, parmesan, and some walnuts. And of course, a food processor or a big blender. Just put everything in there, mix it up, and then you end up with this beautiful, delicious pesto. And you can use the pesto on anything.